So what we're going to do is we're going to do TPX13C, the last of the assessments for compression. So what we need to do is open the task sheet over here. Let's open your window. It'll ask to open the session TPX13C on your DVD drive. We'll open that now. On your disk, it's in this directory, TPNX side list. Sidechain and compression. I'll open this. Once we open this, we're going to sort this out as arranged because it's a little bit everywhere. We just need to move this pad track here up to the kick. Bass and DI is there. Backing vocal is fine. And also kick and snare here up on this track. So we have those tracks playing, and these two down below. So it should look like this before you start. So on that worksheet, we'll follow what it says. So on number 1, it says on the track label pad, insert a compressor. So I'm going to do that. Track label pad here, insert a compressor. Next thing it asks, it wants us to assign pre-fader auxiliary send to a mono bus of your choice. To do this in Reaper, what you need to do is to go to this track. So this is kick track. So it says pre-fader. To do this, you need to click on track sends. We want to send this to pad. And to create the auxiliary send, we have changed where it says 1 and 2 to 1 and 2. Change this 1 to 3 and 4. And this will create an auxiliary track directly into the pad here as an auxiliary source. And close that. Next thing it asks on the worksheet, it will ask on the pad track compressor, assign that same bus to the key input. The key input on here on the compressor is 3 and 4, which is in the detector input, or in other programs it's called key input or source input. I'm going to change this to auxiliary input, which is 3 and 4. We'll go back to the worksheet, see what it says. On the pad track compressor, activate key input. So in Pro Tools, it's a little key icon on the side, change section of compressor in the upper right hand window, and press play. So I'm going to just press play, and I'm just going to loop this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the compressor turn to 1. Right now, the sidechain is not working because the compression threshold is too high. So if I lower it down, you'll notice the pad will be being affected by the kick drum. So this is an example of sidechain compression. Once you've done that, you go back to the task sheet and what it says on the task sheet. This session includes 3 examples of instances where sidechain compression could be used for either control or creative purposes. Sidechain compression is a technique that involves controlling response compressor that is inserted over one instrument channel with a secondary control signal connected to the key input of the compressor. This can be used for a compressor that is inserted over a master channel for a group of instruments. Follow the steps for example 1 below and then repeat the same technique for 2 and 3. So what I'm going to do is when